So if your answer is 120, that is correct. Okay. Anybody who got the answer other than 120? Huh? Please speak. Those who got the answer other than 120, anybody? Speak honestly. If you got it, no problem. You have to check the calculation and correct it. Okay. Prakar says no, ma'am. What about others? So correct 120. If it gets wrong, also no problem. You have to correct it. Okay. You will understand where you had gone wrong. Calculation or whatever, where you have gone wrong, you will understand. Check the problem. If you have gone wrong, 120 is the answer. So we will do three more problems. Okay. Kanishka joined. So three more problems we will do. So this is the portion in arithmetic mean. You have to calculate arithmetic mean in individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. And also you have the weighted arithmetic mean and combined mean. And the last portion, last topic that you have seen is you will be given some missing figure and you have to find out. We will do few more questions of that sort. Okay, missing figure and all. Chaitanya, you got the answer? Did you do the homework, Chaitanya? Chaitanya, did you get the answer? What about Varsha? Chaitanya is not responding. What about Varsha? Varsha, did you get the answer? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Varsha, you also got the answer, now. Okay, good. Okay, so we will do some more problems today. Write another question. Same type of question which you had done yesterday. But in this case, we will give a missing frequency. Yesterday, a missing X or item was given, and today I will give you a missing frequency. You have to find it out, right? In the following frequency distribution, in the following frequency distribution, the frequency of a class is missing, the frequency of a class is missing. That class you will come to know when I complete the question. Frequency of a class is missing. Find it out. Find it out. If the arithmetic mean of the distribution is, if the arithmetic mean of the distribution is 52, 5 to 52, the arithmetic mean is 52. Now write the question. Wages 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Next column, number of workers, that is frequency. Number of workers. 5, 3, 4. Next frequency is missing. 40 to towards 40 to 50, the frequency is missing. So you just write, put a question mark over there. And the frequency towards 50 to 60 is 2. Then 6, 13. So I read the frequency once again. 5, 3, 4, then missing 2, 6, 13. This is a question. Find out the missing frequency. Is the question clear to you? There's something. Speak something. Is the question clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do it.
Ma'am,
Nice, beta. Kanak, bolo.
ma'am, wages starts from 10 to 20.
Ha, beta. 10 to 20, it starts till 70 to 80.
And ma'am, the frequencies are 5, 3, 4, missing 2, 6, and 13.
Sure. Exactly, that is correct. Not 30, it is 1 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Last frequency is 1 3. Yeah, start doing it. Can you see my board?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So first of all, you have to find out the mid values. Yeah, speak.
Ma'am, X is 7.
Frequency. Now I won't say. Okay. Let the others also do it. Okay, beta. I will give few more minutes to the others. Now let the answers come out. Those who get the answer, please tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 7.
Who is this, Shiva?
Yes, ma'am. 7.
So who all got 7?
Ma'am, I got.
Yes, ma'am.
Swastika,
7. And Priyanshu.
Shivam, or who spoke to me? Actually, I am presenting, so I am not
Ma'am,
able to.
Priyanshu.
Ma'am,
Priyanshu.
Swastika.
That I understand. Okay. So look at the board, what I am doing. First of all, you have to write the mid values. Okay. You have written the mid values. Next, the number of workers are 5, 3. See, this I am doing. If somebody is finding a difficulty, those who didn't get the answer, for them I am doing it. So as the frequency is missing this case, I am putting F over here. Then 2, those who didn't get the answer, I am doing it. 2, 6, 13. I hope all of you got the answer, but still I am doing it. So frequency you will write. Then 40 to 50, the frequency is missing. So I have left the column as such. And my next column will be F into X, that is Fx. And in some book, even you can see Fm, that they write mid value M. Okay, so this is anyway, this column into this column, Fx. Okay, so 15 5s are 75. And this is also 75. 85 4s are 140. And this is 45F. 45F. So those who got a different answer, please check your calculation. 55 2s are 110. 65 into 6. 383. 80 ke 90. 390. 390. And this is it correct? Is this amount correct? 975 is the multiplication correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
total frequency? Is 33 plus F, right? 33 plus F. This is the total frequency. That is sigma F is equal to 33 plus F. And this will, what is the total of this? Tell me the total of this.
1765.
1765 plus 45, right? 65. I'm writing here plus 45. Yeah. So now you just have to substitute it in the formula. Correct? You know, X bar is equal to sigma. Is Chaitanya there? Chaitanya, are you there? Are you got the answer? Chaitanya, speak. I cannot see you and I cannot see the chat even.
Yes, ma'am.
Got the answer? Got the answer? आंसर मिला?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कर रहे हो? कर रहे हो तो देखो, अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो देखो. What is sigma fx? Sigma fx is equal to the total of this 1765 plus 45f. This is fx. Sigma fx. This is the total. That upon sigma f. What is the sigma f? 33 plus f. And what is the mean? The mean is 52. No? 52. So you go for a cross multiplication, 52 into 33 plus f. So when you cross multiply it, 32, 52 into 83 plus F is equal to, this F is equal to 1765 plus 45F. So now you solve this. What is 52 into 33? 52 into 33. Bolo.
1716.
1716 plus 52F is equal to A लिखो 1675 minus 45F. Okay, the same. I'm doing it this for those who didn't get the answer. Plus 45F. Exactly like this, your homework should also be done. Yesterday's homework. Now 52F minus 45F. That is 7F. Okay, I will write again. 50. This is 52, right? Okay. 52 minus 45. 52 F minus 45 F is equal to, 1765 minus 1716.
49.
1765 minus 1716. So you will get 7. 52 minus 45, 7. F is equal to, ये कितना मिलेगा 1675 और 1765 minus 1716 कितना मिलेगा 49. Okay, so F is equal to 49 divided by 7, that is 7. So 7 is the missing frequency. Very simple. Okay, whenever a frequency is missing, you have to do like this. Same way. And I hope now all of you got the answer. Can we move to the next question? Speak.
Yes.
My question is to all. Can we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then write the next question. If the average salary of a firm is rupees 400, and the number of workers is 60, and the number of workers is 60. Find the total salary of salary bill. Find the total salary bill of the firm. Find it out. Purvi is not there in the meet today, right, Samba? He's not here. Kushab is not here.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, Shivam, bolo.
Ma'am, एक बार repeat कर दीजिए question.
Question I want to repeat. If the average salary of the firm is rupees 400 and the number of workers is 60, find the total salary bill of the firm. That means what is the total salary given by the firm? अभी तक तो मिलना चाहिए था आंसर.
24,000.
24,000. That means
24,000.
yeah, average is given and the total number is given. Number of workers is given. You just have to multiply it to find the total salary. Okay. So this kind of a question we have done yesterday also. Which factory gives more salary? Factory A and factory B. You just have to multiply the salary, average salary into the number of workers, then you can say which factory is giving more. So this you have, yesterday also you have done such a kind of question. Okay. All of you got 24,000?
Yes, ma'am.
What you will do, you know,
Yes,
X
ma'am.
bar,
Yes,
you know
ma'am.
X. Okay, good. You know X bar is equal to sigma X upon N. So what is sigma X? That is the total salary. What is sigma X? X bar into N. So if you want to do it in the correct procedure, yeah, somehow it is better you note down. Somehow it is better you note down roughly. Okay, so it is sigma X into sigma X you will get if you multiply the average into number of workers. So that is the total salary. Write the next question. Okay, I will wait for 1 minute. Somehow I will wait for you. Rohit is not attending. Okay. Can I read the next question? Can I read the next question? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The mean of,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, right. The mean of 5 observations is 7. The mean of 5 observations, 5 observation. Okay. 5 observations is 7. Later on, later on, it was found, it was found that, that two observations, two observations 4 and 8. What are the two observations? 4 and 8 were wrongly taken. 4 and 8 were wrongly taken instead of 5 and 9. Instead of 5 and 9. Find the corrected mean. Find the corrected mean. That means the mean which is given to you is incorrect. You have to correct the mean. 4 and 8, those are the wrong item. It was taken instead of 5 and 9. The correct items are 5 and 9. Apply your logic, think and do it. I will do it on the board, but first you do it. How you will do it? And tell me the correct mean. The mean which is given 5 is incorrect. I will give you 1 minute. That's all. That's enough. And I will do it on the board. Anyone got the answer? किसी को आंसर मिला तो जल्दी बता देना. As soon as you get it, just tell me what is the answer. Correct, Sambhav, you are correct. Sambhav, is my board visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number of observation given? And n is
5.
5. Can you see?
Ma'am, 5.
So you just tell me what I have written on the board.
N is equals to 5.
Okay, good. Because what I have seen is many times I will be writing in the board and explaining it, and you are not like it's not visible to you. That's why I asked you. So x bar is equal to 7. This is the thing you are given. The mean of 5 observation is 7. That is what you are given. N is equal to 5 and x bar is equal to 7. These are the items given. And then you are also given the information that two items, which is 4 and 8, it is strongly taken as 5 and 9. Instead of 5 and 9, instead of 5 and 9, which is the correct item, it is wrongly taken as 4 and 8. That means 4 and 8 are the incorrect items and 5 and 9 are the correct items. So you just, what you want to do, first of all, you multiply x bar into n so that you get the total. So in order to get sigma x, how will you get sigma x? Sigma x is equal to x bar into n. X bar, or you can write n into x bar. So if you multiply 7 into 5, you will get sigma x, which is wrong. From this wrong total, if you minus this and add this, you will get the correct total. Is it clear to you? If you multiply 7 into 5, that is 35. This is the total you have in your hand. You have 35. That is the correct, the total which is given. From that, if you add these two correct items and minus these two wrong items, you will correct the correct sigma x. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Beta, in the question it is given, n is equal to 5 and the mean is equal to 7. From this, can you find out the sigma x which is given? What is sigma x? You know x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n. So what is sigma x? Sigma x is equal to this into this, right? That is n into
Yes,
x
ma'am.
bar. N into x bar, or else you can write x bar into n. This is sigma x. So if you get sigma x, you will get the total, the present total. So in this question, n is given and the mean is given. So if you multiply sigma x, you will get sigma x. That is, if you multiply x bar into n, you will get the present total. So far, is it clear? Till this, is it clear to
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
So from this is the total which is you are given, and this total is incorrect. How it is incorrect? These two items 4 and 8 are wrong. Instead of this item, we have to remove these item and we have to add this item to make this total correct. Is it clear to you
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is the wrong total. So in order to make it correct, we have to remove this 4 and 8 and we have to add this 5 and 9 because these two items are wrong. 4 is wrong, 8 is wrong. Instead of that, we have to add 5 and 9. So if you minus 4 and 8, you can do it like minus 4 minus 8 and you can add back plus 5 plus 9. Or else, see minus 12 and plus 14. Cut. So what is the correct total sigma? What is the sigma correct you will get? What is the correct sigma x you will get? इसमें से कितना मिलेगा?
47.
47 की 37?
37.
Sorry, 37.
37. So the correct sigma x is 37. So if you divide the cut, number is not changing at all because here also two number and here also two number. Two numbers were wrong. Instead of the incorrect two numbers, you have added the correct two numbers. There is no change in the number. You got now the correct sigma x, or this 37 is the correct sigma x divided by the number. You will get the correct mean. Okay. So what is the correct sigma x now? 37, there is no change in the number of item. Number of item is still 5. So 37 upon 5. 37 upon 5. What is the answer? 7 5s are 35.
7.9.
25.
7.4.
7 point. This is the corrected mean. So you will write correct x bar is equal to, likewise you will write correct x bar is equal to 7.4. Did you understand it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So likewise, another question. Do this one fast. Mean of 100 observation, mean of 100 observations is found to be 40, 40, is found to be 40. If at the time of computation, two items are wrongly taken as wrongly taken as 30 and 27, 30 and 27, 30 and 27 instead of 3 and 72, instead of 3 and 72, find the correct mean. Find the correct mean. Find the correct mean. Can you do it? Varsha, check the calculation, beta. Deshna, check your calculation. Swastika, no. Which is the correct value? Tell me which is the correct value?
3 and
3 and
75.
72.
70.
3 and 72.
50.18.
Sorry?
Yeah, 40.18.
Yes, correct. Okay, we'll do it on the board. Ah, beta, I will do it on the board. Is my board visible? बोलो, visible है क्या?
Yes.
Is my board
Yes, ma'am.
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
What is n? N is equal to 100. What is x bar? X bar is equal to 40. And you know, sigma x is equal to 100 into 40. What is sigma x? 100 is into 40. Sigma x is equal to 100 into 40. Very easy question to do. Don't do any mistake in calculation. That's why the answers are different. Many different answers I have seen. 4,000. So correct values. What are the correct values? Maybe you have confused between the correct values and the wrong values. Correct values क्या है?
Ma'am, 3 and 72.
हाँ, 72 and 3. 72 and 3. चलो इसको ऐसे कर दो, नहीं तो इसका टोटल ले लो. करेक्ट आइटम. अभी रॉन्ग वैल्यूज कौन कौन सा है देखो. रॉन्ग वैल्यूज आर 27 and 30. 30 and 27. No problem, you do it separately also instead of taking the total. That means 57. The total is 57. This is wrong and this is correct. So from 4,000, you have to make it correct. 4,000 is wrong. इसमें से जो correct है उसको add करो. 75 add करो. And wrong, it is to be removed, minus 57. 57 minus करो. Then you will get the correct sigma x.
4018.
4118.
फिर दोनों तो अलग है. Correct. Sigma x you will
4018.
get
4018.
4018.
8.
This is the correct sigma x. Abhi correct sigma x upon n, isn't it? What correct x bar is equal to, I'm going to write everywhere correct. Correct x bar is equal to 4018 upon, what is the number? 100. There's no change in that. So the correct x bar is equal to 40.18. So likewise, like this you can do any question when the wrong things are given and the correct things are also given. Find out the total, then minus the incorrect one and add the correct one and find out the new or correct x bar. This way you will do it. Those who have gone wrong, please check. Did you understand it now? Please check where you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
gone. Okay. So let me take the attendance. Wait a minute, don't leave the meet. Wait, beta, some error is there, so I'm not able to take the attendance. Please don't leave the meet.